Hello aspirants, welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart Preparation to Success. So, my UPSC EPFO Day 13 MCQ series subject accounting topic recording of transactions. So, topics business transactions and source document, accounting equation, accounting books, rules of debit and credit, types of accounts, logic of recording transactions. So, మీ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కమెంట్ చేయండి లేదంటే మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నేను ఆన్సర్స్ని పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను ఓకే సో ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్ లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ First question. Which of the following is not considered a business transaction? A. Purchase of goods on credit. B. Depreciation on machinery. C. Receiving an order for goods. D. Payment of salary. Try to answer it. Next question. The primary purpose of a sales document is to record of profit and loss, provide evidence of a transaction, prepare trial balance, calculate depreciation. The next question. A debit note is issued when goods are returned to a supplier, goods are returned by a customer, payment is made in cash, payment is made through bank. Next question. Which document acts as a proof of goods delivered but not invented? Receipt, delivery challan, pay slip, invoice. The next question. A cash memo is prepared by buyer for cash purchases, seller for cash sales, auditor during audit, banker for deposits. Next question. The accounting equation is represented as assets equal to liabilities minus capital, assets equal to capital minus liabilities, assets equal to liabilities plus capital, assets equal to liabilities. Next question. If a business purchases furniture for cash, the effect on accounting equation will be increase in asset, increase in liability, increase in one asset, decrease in another asset, increase in capital, decrease in asset, decrease in liability, increase in capital. So read the options carefully and try to answer it. Next question. Which of the following increases both assets and liabilities? Purchase of goods on credit, owner introducing additional capital, payment of outstanding expenses, depreciation charged on assets. Next question. When the owner withdraws cash for personal use, it leads to increase in capital, increase in asset, decrease in capital, decrease in asset, increase in liability, increase in capital, increase in asset, decrease in liability. Next question. If assets equal to 1 lakh and capital is equal to 70,000, then liabilities is equal to 30,000, 70,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 70,000. Next question. The bank of original entry is called ledger, trial balance, journal, balance sheet. Next question. Posting means recording in journal, recording in cash book, transferring entries from journal to ledger, preparing trial balance. Next question. Cash book serves the purpose of only a journal, only a ledger, both journal and ledger, balance sheet. Next question. A petty cash book is maintained for recording large cash transactions, recording petty small expenses, recording bank transactions only, recording capital expenditure. Next question. Which of the following is not a subsidiary book? Sales book, purchase book, ledger, return inward book. Next question. The rule of debit and credit for an asset account is debit decrease, credit increase, debit increase, credit decrease, debit income, credit expense, debit capital, credit liability. Next question. When expenses are incurred, the rule of entry is debit expenses, credit cash book, cash bank, debit cash, credit expense, debit expense, credit liability, debit capital, credit expense. Next question. Which account is credited when the owner introduces additional capital? Cash account, capital account, liability account, expense account. Next question. In double entry system, every debit has a corresponding debit. Every credit has a corresponding credit. Every debit has a corresponding credit. Debit and credit are recorded randomly. Next question. Receiving cash from debitor is recorded as debitor, credit cash, debit cash, credit debitor, debit capital, credit debtor, debit liability, credit cash. Next question. Capital account belongs to which category? Real account, personal account, nominal account, mixed account. Next question. Wages paid or classified under real account, personal account, nominal account, asset account. Next question. Which of the following is a real account? Machinery account, debtor account, capital account, rent account. Next question. Outstanding salary account is real account, personal account, nominal account, contra account. The next question. The golden rule for nominal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, Debit all expenses, losses, credit all income gains. Debit what is payable, credit what is receivable. The next question. Double entry bookkeeping ensures that only assets are recorded, total debits equal to total credits, profits are maximized, errors never occur. The next question. A trial balance is prepared to record daily transactions, verify arithmetical accuracy of ledger balances, calculate tax liability, show financial position. The next question. Which of the following errors will not affect the trial balance? Wrong posting in one account, omission of entry in journal, wrong totaling of ledger account, debit entry without corresponding credit. Next question. Logic of recording transactions is primarily based on personal judgment of accountant, accounting equation and double entry rules, business policy decisions, tax regulations only. Next question. Which statement is correct regarding recording of business transactions? Only cash transactions are recorded, only credit transactions are recorded, both cash and credit transactions are recorded, transactions without monetary value are recorded. So these are the 30 questions. So try to answer it. I hope మీ అందరికీ వీడియోస్ హెల్ప్ అవుతున్నాయని అనుకుంటున్నాను. For further more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.